Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're going to try to get into our popping lock, figure out what's going on. We're going to diagnose it today, see if we can fix it. It was working great for like a month, and then all of a sudden it just stopped working. Hit the key, nothing. Lock, unlock, won't open. So, and I loved it. It worked great with getting the kids in and out of practice, getting anything out of the trunk. So for me, it was great. I love being able to lock it and I could hear it. It's pretty loud, but I'm fine with it. So we're gonna try to diagnose today and figure out what is going on with it. Let's go ahead and get in and break in on it. Come over, hit it twice, nothing. Twice again. Come on over here, hit the unlock. You hear it, nothing. Unlock again. So with the key in, it went fine. Let's try it again. So it locks good. We're locked. Keys in, unlocked. All right, so let's get inside. Let's figure out what's going on. Absolutely love this thing. This thing is amazing. Just throwing it out there. Bigger ones are on the top. Smaller ones are all across the bottom. First, let's take a look inside here. See what we're going with. This mechanism, to me, it seems like it's a little weak. See that back spring? A little weak there. Hitting there. Let's see what's going on. So we're gonna lock it. Looks like it's working. We're gonna unlock it. No, another little lock and unlock. All right, so right now it looks like it's working. Maybe it just needed a little love right here. Little spring. So I'm gonna take it from there. Let's lock it up. See how it works. Unlock. All right, that went. And lock it up. All right, so right now we're working and we're good. So. Well, let's make sure it's still working now that we're closed up, because we know that happens. Alright, we're up. Let's make sure we're locked up. Locked up, so we're... Alright, everybody. We finished up. Took all about 5 minutes. Just seems like that return spring got stuck. It's a little loose, but we're done. I need it working. I enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy the video.